What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this metallic chrome effect on Canva into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, let's get things started. We're gonna start with a page just like this, a blank page. Go to text, select title and move the text right here. And you can type the text that you wish, okay? All up to you. You can use a custom font in the case that you want by selecting right here and choosing the font that you wish. All up to you and to your needs, okay? Let me choose this one. Let me align this to the center. Okay, now we're gonna change the background to black, the text to white, and review the upper right corner of your screen into the share button, click and type in, select download. Make sure that you have selected PNG and download the file, just like this, okay? After, you can delete this title, go to upload panel, upload files, select the title and drop it right here. Now adjust the size, just like this. Click on the image, click on edit, scroll down, go to style match, this one with the duck icons, scroll down and you're gonna be able to find the Chrome duck. While you wait, remember to share this video with a friend of yours, okay? I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. It's normally really fast. And here is the final result. Nice, right? And of course you can customize the font, you can customize the style, and you have the Chrome style font. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the case that you want, you can click on it once again and ask Canva to do some more things for you, okay? Ask Canva, and you can ask Canva to change text color to gold metallic. Let's wait. Once again, I won't cut the video, so you can take this time to hit the like button and subscribe the channel, or do a comment in the case that you have any question or something like this. Of course, in the case that you would like a gold color, you can make the text as gold before editing into the style match, and you would have this result. But if you just forgot, you can ask Canva AI to do this for you. Canva AI used to take more time to do the work, but it does the job normally well. But of course, every attempt is unique, so in the case that you don't like the design, you can always try again. Is the result. All you have to do is click to add it to the design, okay? Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.